Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm wearing a jacket inside the car because it's a beautiful British summer's day. That's right, it's pinned down with rain. Brilliant. Doesn't matter though, because we're going to race some Audis, and Audis are good in the wet. Now I'm sat in an Audi TT RS, and next to me is an Audi R8 V10 Plus. Now you might think I'm going to be outgunned, but this is actually a TT RS-R tuned by ABT. It's one of 50 cars actually. So it's got an uprated turbo, it's got a tune on it. In fact, it's been tuned further by a company called MRC, and it's got 610 horsepower, which is exactly the same horsepower that that Audi R8 V10 Plus has. That's got a 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10, and as a result, it's got less torque in this car, 560 Newton meters. This has 780 Newton meters. They've both got 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearboxes with launch control. It's quite different. Turbocharged power, 2.5 litre, 5-cylinder, and that with its V10. The R8 is the heaviest of the two cars. It weighs 1,650 kilos. This is 1,450 kilos. In terms of pricing, that R8 was 130 grand when it was new. It's probably worth about 90 grand now. This was 55 grand. Now, with all the extras on it, it's getting on for 90. So similar money really, similar power. It's going to be interesting. Now the guy who owns that R8, his name is Andrew, and he runs an Instagram channel called Litya. The link is in the description, so if you want to find out more about that car and other stuff that he gets up to. Also, make sure you're subscribe to us and hit the bell icon to turn notifications on so you're alerted when we make any upload. That way you won't miss any videos. And finally, check out our new merch in the carousel below the video. Some cool t-shirts and stuff there. Let's get on with the race then, in the wet, because we're in England. Before anyone says, why are you racing in the wet? Do they cancel the Formula One when it's raining? No, they don't. So we're not cancelling a CarWow drag race. Not even for coronavirus. We're socially distanced, look. It's more than 2 meters away. Anyway, let's crack on. Now before we get on with the race, we must do a sound comparison. This app-tuned exhaust should be pretty good. It's got a decal on it. Have a listen to this. It's like there's a war going on back there. Now Andrew, we all know that naturally aspirated V10 sound awesome, but this 5-cylinder, even though it's a turbo, that's a wicked noise. Can you beat that with your car?
Let's see what the new exhaust says.
All right, stop it. Make my ears bleed. Damn it. I was so sure that wasn't going to sound as good as this, because this sounds amazing, but that's on another level. Speaking of levels, mate, your car looks like there's something wrong with its suspension. Is it broken? You can be able to go down that runway. There's a little bump down there. You're going to ground out.
Now I'm ready.
You ready to drag race then?
Are you ready?
Are you trying to psych me out here? Is that what's going on? All right, and let's see what happens. Let's go on with it.
3.
We're all struggling. Both of us. Blimey, the gear change in this is mental. Oh, it's so close. Oh, is he catching? It's so close. Whoa! The gear change in this was brutal. I think you lost, Andrew. Just though.
Did you have a good start?
It was a bit sketch, but it doesn't really matter because I crossed the line first.
If you were in my position, you'd say, let's go for another run.
But I'm not. I'm in my position here on the left side of the track, winning.
I think your side of the track was a bit drier than mine. How about we switch?
All right then. I'll let you have a go with this side. I'm sure it's going to make no difference at all, but let's just do it just to humour you. Andrew, can you see all that standing water there? You've asked for this. You asked to go on the right. Your side's definitely drier.
Should we swap back?
No, we're not swapping back. We're going to do it like this.
3.
Oh, it's scrambling for grip. Oh, this is close now. Oh no, maybe he was right about the side. Do you know what, Andrew? That was a complete role reversal. Maybe you did the right call, because these things have the same horsepower and they basically did the same thing depending on which side of the track they were on.
Maybe the wetter the track, the better. Best out free, swap again.
Okay, yeah. Actually, do you know what? I want to stay on this side of the track. I think I can get a better launch over this side, and I'd like to beat you on this side. Best 2 out of 3. This is it. Come on. Come on, titty arse. I'm driving a titty RS-R.
3, 2, 1.
There, like that. That was all about the timing. It did that thing with the transmission again, bloody hell.
You jumped that.
You think I jumped it?
Only just, I think.
I'm going to go to my adjudicator and find out whether I jumped it. Will Davis, can you check and see if I jumped it?
No, you didn't jump.
Can you repeat that, Will?
You didn't jump the start.
Andrew? I'm afraid I did not jump the start. I think you were just a bit delayed. I think these cars are dead evenly matched. It's so close between them. It's all on that start. And unfortunately that time, mate, you were half asleep.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the tuned TTRS did the standing quarter mile in 10.8 seconds and the R8 took 10.9 seconds.
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Car's in comfort mode, automatic setting for the gearbox. I'm going to count it in when it gets level. Come on, get level. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. You just have to think about it for quite a while. No, those birds. Did you bottle it because of the birds?
Not another excuse, please.
I've got a feeling I was not gaining on you. Let's try something else. Right, now we're going to have a rolling race again, but this time in manual mode. The car's in sport, and we'll see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that naturally aspirated engine just does the business. No lag, whereas this has got a huge ass turbo. I got the drag, you got the rolling races. Final challenge, sort of the decider. Though it's the drag that matters really, Andrew, you know that.
To be honest, perfect start on each of us. I reckon I'd still take you on the drag.
That's the key thing though, you need to have a perfect start.
Okay, Lewis Hamilton.
Do you want me to drive your car?
Come, give it a big one. Those keys are yours.
I'd probably cock it up to tell you the truth. I think it's just luck. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we reach the cone, full emergency stop. I've got upgraded brakes on this, carbon ceramics, he's got carbons as well. Here we go. Here comes the cone. It's not braking. Oh, I don't know what happened there. It just didn't bite particularly. Shaggy, Scooby-Doo. What did you say?
Was that early?
I think a little bit. Should we try? Let's try again. One more time. Do you know what? If it's the same result again, it's probably not early. It might just be the car. Oh, God. Slid off the pedal at the end, but it had stopped. I think your car just stops at a shorter distance.
Ceramic brakes.
This has got ceramics. It's got upgraded ceramics. But I don't know. Maybe my side of the track is wetter.
Not this again. You know I'm driving in the swimming pool right now.
You are kind of in the swimming pool. You won the rolling races, but I won the drag races. And as far as I'm concerned, that's what really matters. Isn't that right, guys? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed filming it, actually. It's been a lot of fun. Despite the wet, it's Quattro though. Doesn't matter if it's raining. It's a good thing about Audis. Now, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. Also, check out Andrew's Instagram. Yeah, it's in the description below. Now, would you like to see an amazing deal that's on CarWow for one of these cars? I'm not going to tell you which of these cars it is, but there's some serious money off them. Click on the pop-out banner up there to go to CarWow to see the offer available on one of these cars. It's pretty awesome. Finally, don't forget to check out our new range of merchandise in the carousel below. Go buy some and, you know, I've got a t-shirt on, but it's underneath here. I've got too many layers because crap British weather. Damn it. What the heck is that? So we actually film on a live runway. We have to work it in between the planes taking off. And if we were to get it wrong, I'd end up launching into a plane. Wouldn't be good.